How to say open in Portuguese, you know?
I don't know.
What the hell am
I don't know. I learned Portuguese at school, but my teacher didn't teach me that word. It's hard. Why do you have to give me that hard questions?
So you will ask your teacher
Why?
after the holiday. We are having a holiday, right?
Yes. It's Saturday, but it's the weekend.
Yeah, it's a weekend.
But it's still the holiday.
But you have no school for the whole week next week.
Yeah. I can play
Because
the
this year
video.
is the year of what?
Chinese New Year! Piggy year!
Year for the
Pig
pig.
year!
Yeah.
Look, I'm gonna make it white. It looks weird if you do it like this. If you don't go it back, if you put it back up, it looks no. It doesn't look weird anymore. You got a pink tile. Look. Woo.
Is it purple or pink?
It's purple and pink.
You look like purple. I
No,
mean,
it looks pink.
I think it is purple.
But on camera it looks purple. Something fell down in the background. Pick it up. But on my eyes it thinks it's pink. Why? Okay, I'm just gonna put these things sideways. I'm gonna put the tile. Where's the side? I'm gonna put this one on that one because it's not very well standing. So I'm gonna put it on. Put the tile on. It's so hard to put the tiles on. Okay, now let's open the other packs and see what we got, right? One is big, one is tiny, one is medium. The first one is medium. My scissors look weird. You hold it like one finger outside, two fingers inside. Does it look weird?
Maybe.
What's this? Maple syrup?
No, this is for home collection. I don't think it's eatable.
Okay.
This is for bath. No, they got something for the kitchen as well.
Oh.
This is 130. 130 is what?
What is
Detergent. It's a detergent to
Oh.
clean up your dishes. You do your
I don't
dishes.
know. I thought it was maple syrup.
Yeah, you drink a detergent, you got sick.
Like me, I'm wanting to cough, but I'm trying to not cough right now. Oh my gosh!
This one is so small. What's that?
It's a
What's that?
hanger thingy, I think.
So small you drop, you lost it.
Yeah. Like technically you put it like this and it's a hanger.
Oh,
So small.
yeah, so small. We cannot even see clear on the camera.
The face is at the back. Oh. Small.
Yeah, it's difficult to focus too, right?
Yeah, the camera's difficult.
Yeah, this is what. Do you know the name of this camera? It's from Panasonic.
Yes.
We got a Panasonic
We
camera.
just got a new one, you know that? Of course you knew that, I said. Oh my gosh, it's not it. Oh my gosh, you put this inside here.
Yeah. What's that? Something eatable?
This is bubbles? I think this is bubbles and they're putting the hanger in it, I think. I don't know what this is.
Oh, never mind.
Okay, let's just put it in. Nice. But in case I know this, let's go on to the next video. I'm standing up.